Gonna work on the formula. 3rd gen. Get my water. That's the car. Got work on it. All right, this is 1987 Chevy block out of a 1987 Formula Firebird 350. Gonna have it rebuilt. Thought about doing a crate, but all the crate is just basically that block redone and had someone else build it. So the reason why, get my glove on here, that's out. You're not supposed to do this. Good. They're not supposed to do that. But see how nice and tight this don't even move. And this doesn't move. So I got it rotated over. What's nice is I can look that up and that'll tell me all about the block. There's some more numbers here, but the best number is right here. This is GM 5.7 liter. Which I knew already, but still it's nice to have. And I'll show you where my issue was on the piston. You can see where it was hitting the head. Right there, see that shiny part? That was slapping the head. And we have a cow in the background. That's what happens when you live in the country. So, this is gonna get sent out to get rebuilt. Everybody says do Jags, do all the motor places, which is, you know, buy a crate. Might as well have this. If this could be repaired, might as well repair this, right? Keep it back into the formula. It's the same. Everything lines right up. So I just thought, why not rebuild this? So the next time I do a video, it'll be this all rebuilt with a tune port on it and hopefully running. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, the share button, and I will do more videos on the formula going back together. So it'll go back in, hook up to its original tranny. I put that's BMR K-member system, upgrade the car a little bit. Cleaned up my spindles. So spindles are done, engine compartment will get done, bushings on the sway bar, and the next video will be me loading the engine in the truck. So stay tuned for me loading up the engine.